Welcome back to RVenture Life. Today, we're taking a full tour of this 2018 Freedom Express 246 RKS, a travel trailer that's remained a favorite floor plan for years. Whether you're buying your first RV, upgrading from a smaller camper, or searching for something comfortable for extended trips or seasonal camping, this layout offers impressive flexibility in a compact package. This trailer comes in at just under 5,000 pounds dry weight. The body measures about 24.5 feet, while the overall length is just over 28 feet from hitch to bumper. That makes it an easy match for many tow vehicles, including larger SUVs, mid-size trucks, and full-size pickups. Starting up front, you'll find a power tongue jack that makes hitching and unhitching much easier. There are also 2 propane tanks and plenty of space available for multiple batteries, giving you a solid foundation for your camping setup. Before any trip begins, it's important to know the trailer has been thoroughly inspected. Special attention has been given to checking for any signs of water intrusion, with all maintenance areas properly sealed and serviced. The trailer has also received routine upkeep to keep everything in excellent condition and ready for the road. One of the biggest upgrades is the brand new set of tires. Fresh tires provide added peace of mind for your upcoming adventures, and they're ready for years of dependable travel before the next replacement interval. Moving along the front, you'll notice the spacious pass-through storage compartment with magnetic catches, making it easy to load camping gear, chairs, and other essentials. This Freedom Express is also prepped for solar with a convenient plug-and-play connection. If you're planning occasional off-grid camping, adding a compatible portable solar system is quick and simple. Along the campsite side, the long power awning creates a generous outdoor living space. The large dinette window faces your campsite instead of your neighbors, giving you a much better view while relaxing inside. Just behind the exterior hatch is an outdoor cooking station featuring a 2-burner stove, making meal preparation outside both convenient and enjoyable. Around the rear, you'll find another large kitchen window that brings in natural light, along with the spare tire and 4 oversized stabilizer jacks for added stability at your campsite. Stepping inside, even with the slide retracted, you can still access every major area of the trailer, including the bedroom, making roadside stops much more convenient. Just inside the entrance is the main control center with tank monitors, gas and electric water heater controls, lighting switches, and awning controls, all within easy reach. Next is the 8 cubic foot propane and electric refrigerator. Its dual power capability makes it especially useful for campers who occasionally enjoy off-grid adventures. The dinette area is surrounded by large windows that provide excellent visibility in every direction. Opening the opposing windows creates outstanding cross-ventilation, something both campers and pet owners will certainly appreciate. Comfort is maintained throughout the trailer thanks to the fully ducted air conditioning system, delivering cool air from the bedroom all the way to the rear, while the wall-mounted thermostat keeps temperatures easy to manage. The removable dinette table isn't fixed to the floor, allowing it to be used outdoors when needed. At night, the dinette quickly converts into an additional sleeping space, making room for family members or visiting guests. Across from the dinette, the sofa also converts into another bed. Built-in cup holders and convenient USB charging ports add everyday comfort for relaxing after a long day outdoors. Nearby, you'll find a tall pantry that provides generous food storage while also housing the slide-out controls in a discreet location. The rear kitchen makes excellent use of available space. You'll find multiple drawers, under-sink storage, a dedicated cutlery drawer, a large durable sink, an oven, a 3-burner cooktop, and overhead cabinets with plenty of room for dishes and cookware. Every window is equipped with privacy blinds, allowing you to create a comfortable sleeping environment whenever the dinette or sofa is converted into extra beds. The entertainment center includes a mounted TV that swivels toward the seating area for better viewing. Interior and exterior speakers allow you to enjoy music both inside and outside, while additional USB charging ports help keep your devices powered. Safety has also been addressed with refreshed carbon monoxide and fire detectors, along with a fully tested propane system, giving you confidence that the trailer is ready for travel. In the front bedroom, you'll find a brand new mattress, underbed storage, overhead cabinets, and additional storage surrounding the bed. USB ports and 120-volt outlets on both sides make charging devices or powering equipment simple and convenient. Both the bedroom and bathroom feature roof vents with protective vent covers, allowing fresh air to circulate even during changing weather conditions. The bathroom includes a roomy corner shower, a medicine cabinet, vanity storage, and generous space around the toilet, creating a practical layout that feels surprisingly spacious. Overall, the 2018 Freedom Express 246 RKS delivers an excellent combination of comfort, smart storage, practical features, and easy towability. Its accessible floor plan, thoughtful amenities, and manageable size make it a fantastic choice for everything from weekend getaways to longer adventures. Thanks for joining us here on RVenture Life, and we'll see you in the next RV tour.